Hello, my name is Sergey Lukyanchikov. I assist our customers and partners with transition to production use of artificial intelligence and machine learning. We will further use an abbreviation AIML. Although many of us have already a good understanding of what AIML is about, certain specifics of its production use may deserve an example. In this video, we discuss implementation of AIML tooling in relation to real-time monitoring of equipment and the use of InterSystems Iris data platform for deployment of similar implementations. Let us start from an example that very well represents the whole class of problems connected with equipment monitoring. We have a feed pump, one of equipment types used in various industries. Our pump has a SCADA that in our concrete example provides around 40 sensor readings per second, such as pump's rotation rate, oil temperature, bearing temperature, and so on. On the other hand, we have defect detection reports from maintenance brigades or equipment inspection experts, typically covering a 24-hour period. In those reports, the information is frequently presented as follows. We have detection date and defect type. Records like that are not thousands and not even tens. We will most of the times need to deal with a single example for this or that defect type. The problem formulation is rather challenging, namely, we need to implement a real-time monitoring of developing defects in pumps based on process parameter value readings and defect detection reports by maintenance personnel. We'll skip in our video the mathematics that goes into our solution, but we'll be glad to discuss it with you directly. And we'll concentrate instead on the real-time automation implemented using InterSystems Iris platform. In the central part of this slide, we can see a fragment from our implementation that automates model training and application modes, as well as decision-making about which mode to execute. On the left, there is a part of one of the business processes responsible for execution of the training mode and orchestrating a sequence of scripts in Python and R languages. Thanks to design and assembly of such mechanisms in a single solution, we obtain the automation that is shown in the center of the slide. Adaptive business processes of InterSystems Iris platform secure continuous integration and self-training of AIML mechanisms in real time. Please notice that the strong sides of mathematical modeling environments, such as their rich assortment of visualization of AIML outputs, remain available. See the right part of the slide. As a result, using InterSystems Iris platform, we deployed a fully autonomous and self-training real-time solution for the problem of defect recognition in feed pumps. Simulation on live data containing several cases of the same defect type has confirmed that our solution allows recognizing developing defects of that type 48 hours in advance of their detection. This creates a tangible economic effect, both as maintenance cost reduction and equipment availability overall increase for production and selling. Deployment in InterSystems Iris platform improves significantly the operating efficiency of machine learning and artificial intelligence mechanisms that are parts of solutions for equipment monitoring and other real-time scenarios. The integration capabilities of our platform allow ingesting data for analysis from any sources such as SCADA, equipment operating systems, and maintenance and repairs suites. The built-in database management system facilitates processing of tens and hundreds of thousands of records via an entry-level server, storing any data volume that is required for solution functioning. This is particularly important if we must monitor an equipment farm with a huge number of monitored parameters. The delivery of solution outputs to users can be implemented using extensible dashboards, a broad range of notification channels, email, instant messaging. Moreover, API management functions enable distribution of recommendations to SCADA and any other receivers that have dependency on user actions. InterSystems Iris platforms secure deployment of equipment monitoring solution upon any IT infrastructure, physical and virtual servers, private and public clouds. We can conclude that InterSystems Iris is the all-purpose real-time AIML platform that can host an unlimited spectrum of business scenarios, be it equipment failure probability estimation or norm alert classification, or developing defect recognition problem that we started from. You can count on us if you need support with real-time AI/ML scenario formulation relevant to the specifics of your business, getting a pilot project up and running, designing and implementing a roadmap for artificial intelligence and machine learning in your company's processes, you can contact me using the email address presented in the slide. We appreciate a lot your time and attention. Talk to you soon.